Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our second lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about starting Windows 7 and taskbar. And in this video we will learn about start menu and icons. Start menu. Start menu provides a common way to perform varied activities such as starting various programs, accessing commonly used folders, searching for files, folders and programs, getting help for Windows, adjusting the computer settings, etc. You can open the Start menu by clicking the Start button on the taskbar or by pressing the Windows logo key on the keyboard. You can view the complete list of programs by clicking all programs in the Start menu. The Start menu also contains a search text box that lets you search files or folders by typing the name in it. The area on the right side of the Start menu provides quick access to the commonly used folders and files as well as the computer settings. In addition, you can log off, restart or shut down the system from this area. Icons. An icon is a small picture that points to a specific program, folder or document. Each icon has an associated program. To open the program, double-click the icon that points to it. You can add and remove the icons from the desktop as per your requirement. Selecting the icons. To select an icon, click on it. A square-shaped box surrounds the icon. Unselecting the icons. To unselect an icon, move the mouse pointer away from the icon and click. The surrounding box disappears. Moving the icons. Just as you rearrange your desk at school, you can also rearrange your computer's desktop by moving icons from one location to another. To move an icon, follow these steps. Number 1. Position your mouse pointer over the icon. Number 2. Click and drag the icon to a new location. Number 3. Release the mouse button. Note that in order to move the icons manually, the Auto Arrange Icons option should be unchecked. To uncheck the Auto Arrange Icons option, right-click anywhere on the desktop. This displays a shortcut menu. Select the View option and the click Auto Arrange Icons option from the submenu that appears. Automatically arranging the icons. You can let the Windows 7 tidy up your desktop by automatically arranging the icons according to their name, size or date on which they were last modified. To automatically arrange the icons, follow these steps. Number 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Number 2. Select the Sort By option. A submenu appears. Number 3. Select the name, size, item, type or date modified option from the submenu. The icons are arranged according to the selected option. So dear students, in this video we have learned about Start menu and icons. So watch the video carefully.